OMG, it's the 10th of the month, and look what decided to arrive. I'm speechless. The Boxycharm base box usually arrives 16th, 17th, 18th, or beyond. Hey everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what I received in the November 2021 Boxycharm base box, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Holy cow. I am not used to getting my box this early. And I was getting really jealous, experiencing some FOMO, because I kept seeing people I follow post, mainly it was their premiums. But I was just like, dang, how do they get their boxes so early? And what do you know? This arrived today. All right, let's dive in and go like this and hope it's a good month. So the card says invite only, which doesn't seem right. Is that the theme? Invite only? It says Boxy Beauty Bash. Shop our annual holiday. It's an advert. Okay, apparently there's no theme this month, or if there is, I'm missing out on what it says. I am iteration 005. Okay. First item, not an item. They got rid of that foamy stuff. Lately it's paper. All right. We have, yes, I remember selecting this from Kate Somerville, the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. All right, so I love the Goat Milk Moisturizer. I've never tried one of her cleansers. We get quite a good amount. This is 120 ml. All right, super excited about that. What is the MSRP? Oh, she's pricey for a cleanser. That's $40. All right, on to the next item. What is this? We have from a brand I'm not familiar with called TFB, which stands for Trust Fund Beauty. And this is called a Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. Ooh, of course I'm sporting 3 layers of lip products already. But what's one more? Here is the packaging. Actually, since it's clear, I'm just, but let's take a look at the applicator. It's like a flat paddle type. Does not seem to have a scent. And on my hand does not seem to be sticky and or thick. And the Trust Fund Beauty Lip Oil retails for $18. Okay, next item. Yes! Got an eyeshadow palette from Voss. I love Voss. This is the Violet Sunset, which is part of the Pro series. Am I to assume the color story will be matching the box and be pinks and purples? Not really. Well, ish. There is a purple. But yes, it's Wygo Warrior friendly. We have nice neutrals down here, some oranges, and just one purple. Oh, that might be a purple. All right. I'm going to, 2 purples. Let's do a few swatches. Okay, so that looks patchy, but to be fair, that clear lip oil was there and I didn't realize it. Those are pretty. I'm excited. Because guess what? In the near future, I'm going to wear purple eyeshadow for the first time. All right, what is the MSRP for that palette? The Violet Voss Violet Sunset Palette retails for $37. Ooh. Don't know that I'd spend that money on my own, but glad to get it in this box. All right, what else you got, Boxycharm? Whatever this is, it is heavy and big. What is this? We have... I swear to God, I thought that said mildew. I'm like, ew, why do I want mildew? Milkdew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. know I love toners. And this is from Glowoasis. Oh, that's another new brand I've never heard of before. See what the packaging looks like. This is really hefty. This is real glass. And yes, they're right. It is milky. We get 120 mLs. Okay, so yes. I love getting, well, products like this, but just new and different. We don't get toners very often. And a milky toner and a new brand. What are they going to say this one costs? In my head, it shouldn't be more than $20. $34. Okay, well, glad I got this. However, I would never spend $34 on a toner. All right, next item. Oh, there always has to be one like product. Oh, and of course, it's from my favorite brand. Insert sarcasm. Laruce. Oh, these are going to be pricey. By the way, this here is a face disc pack. It says, wipe away your day with this alternative eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads. You know, I need to pay attention more to Mother Earth. Just usually, oh, they feel thick. They feel like what I envision but don't know that Tati thing is. Like, it feels like there's foam inside here. Yeah, I'm a lazy girl, so, but, okay. I must say I do enjoy the color story here. I love black, white, and gray. This is, yes, right up my alley. All right, how much is this? $24. Well, it is from Laruce. All right, let's recap what came in this box. We got a pH balancing milk toner, a lip oil, some makeup removing face discs, a moisturizing face cleanser from Kate Somerville, and an eyeshadow palette from Voss. What are your thoughts? This for lately, Boxycharm, this is pretty good. Is it a 5 out of 5 for me? No. Will I use every product? Possibly. The one I'm on the fence on is this. Just, I'm a lazy girl. I'm not gonna lie. The lip oil, I will use a lip oil. It's a little meh. There's no color. I don't know. I have a lot of lip products. Love a good toner and a new brand and a new product in a Boxycharm. Love Violet Voss and eyeshadows. And my gal Kate Somerville. Love everything I've tried from her so far. So 3 Rockstar products. The others are but overall I'm pleased. I'm going to list on the screen the grand total for all of the products, and let's see how good this box was. If I was good at math, I would just look at the card, but I'm not. So during editing, I'll figure it out. All right, you were lucky you got me filming midweek because I'm usually like crazy. I hate filming midweek, but I was super excited. This box arrived early, and I'm like, yes. It's Wednesday. If I film it and edit it, hopefully I can post it by Friday. Doing this. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, oh my goodness, it would help me out. All right, thanks everyone.